Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the screen from dimming on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're playing on your Nintendo Switch 2, and after some time, your screen actually dims. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's navigate to where it says System Settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Sleep Mode. So with Sleep Mode, your screen is automatically going to dim after 10 minutes when playing on the system screen, or after 1 hour when playing on the TV. So you can adjust these times as far as when you want your screen to actually dim. So maybe you want it to dim after 30 minutes, or maybe you want it to never dim while you're playing on your Switch 2. Now, keep in mind that there are some different settings when you are connected to the TV. When you're connected to the TV, you might have different TV settings in which you could actually control something called screen burn-in reduction, which is reducing its screen brightness after 5 minutes of inactivity. But just keep that in mind though, as far as it does depend on whether you're connected to your just system screen or your TV screen. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and stop your screen from dimming on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.